So Sanbonani Dumelang Chomi, I go by the name of Love Ria. Warm welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to the family, baby. If you are a subscriber, you know the vibes, you know what time it is. In this video, I am doing a restaurant review, which is called Olives and Plates, as well as an Airbnb review, which is called Ellipse, which is also in the same building. Nonetheless, I don't talk for some parts of the video because of copyright, but nonetheless, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Gesana. Love you loads and enjoy this really short video of mine. Why is this meal better than my meal? Guys, one thing about me you must understand is that I take it very personally when someone's meal is better than mine. Like, why is it better? Who told you that's okay? That's not okay, period. Guys, the reason why I thought to come to Olive and Plates is because apparently the food is delicious, the menu is very affordable, and I'm about to devour this food. It looks so good, like so good. It looks almost as good as I am. If I'm being very honest, I think that Olive and Plates is going to be my new favorite restaurant. It's just so wholesome here. Waterfall Corner used to be my spot, but it seems like now we are upgrading. It's super cozy here. The playlist is very accommodating. The food tastes really great. It's rich in flavor. The service is amazing as well. Like humanat, like humanat. So yeah. Okay. So budget give guide because I asked you guys to at least like let me know. Welcome to the Ellipse Waterfall Luxurious Unit by Fadu, which is 1,195 per night. I love the fact that this Airbnb caters a dedicated workspace for you to meet all tasks and deadlines. The Airbnb caters for 2 people max. It is super cozy and very intimate. Wi-Fi is included, which allows you to relax, you know, watch some Netflix and chill or whatever content that you prefer. The dining area would be the best place for you to eat and hold great conversation, and I feel like you wouldn't spill stuff all over the place. The kitchen is super spacious with all necessary appliances so that you can make amazing meals or recipes. Unfortunately, I did not take that opportunity. Instead, I got takeaways, and anybody who knows me knows that Rhea loves food. I love cooking. However, with the takeouts, I did put it in the refrigerator, so that means I did put some good use to the kitchen space. This is basically the layout of the place, aesthetically pleasing and very tiny, as I said. Apparently, this is where the magic happens, but I guess I didn't really get the memo when it came to that specific part. But however, sleeping on this bed was extremely heavenly, darling. All essentials such as a safe, extra pillows, blankets, clothing, space are provided to make sure you feel at home and you feel secure. All bathroom products are available, such as towels, body wash, a dryer, shampoo, etc. is there. And this shower, let me tell you something, the water intensity is crazy. I mean, I'm not such a huge fan of the toilet or the bathroom area because it's so tiny. However, I do appreciate Fatu for taking the time to provide all necessary essentials to make this place so pleasant. Nonetheless, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send your girl money so that I can review more Airbnbs. And please pull up